Welcome back, everybody. So it begins, repair videos on the Tacoma. Today what I got going on is my key, though it makes a liar out of me now, my key doesn't really want to unlock the door. I've actually had this happen to me once before. I was in Lake Tahoe last year right after Christmas, and I went to get gas before coming back into town, and I was fighting that key like nobody's business. Like, I was actually starting to wonder if I'd be able to get in at all. And with my truck, I do not have keyless entry. I've already said it before, this truck's got the heart of an old truck. So what I'm gonna do is take some water-resistant silicone spray. Make sure you clean any and all dust off this straw, if that's what you want to call it. Then just place the straw in the hole, kind of like that, and spray it. Then just take the keys, and then just lock and unlock the door a few times. I might go ahead and put a little more spray in here, just because this is still kind of having some resistance. And then any silicone that gets on the paint of the car, wipe it off. Then go ahead and try it again. There we go. And then this would be a good time to spray everywhere else that takes a key too. Not having any problems with the tailgate, but still, just as a preventative. And then, me personally, I do like to keep the tailgate locked, just because tailgate theft is actually a thing. I think that's locked. No? There we go. I like to keep my tailgate locked just because tailgate theft is actually a thing. And by the time you've replaced your tailgate and had it painted and done all of that, you're out about $3,000. So I do like to keep my tailgate locked at night. And that's pretty much that, just a simple fix. However, considering I've already had it happen before, I think I might spray the locks down on this truck like this about once a year, maybe before the rain comes. We've been getting a lot of rain lately, so that's probably what happened. Some rain probably got in there, got it wet, and then you also figure last year when I was in Tahoe, I mean, it was cold and wet up there, so same thing. Must have got wet, and it's probably what caused it to stick. Also, the silicone spray isn't just good for vehicles. The deadbolt to my house was sticking. Now it isn't. You can use it to lubricate tracks on windows. All kinds of good stuff to save you money. So if you're going through it with your vehicle, don't panic. This really isn't a big bill you have to have on your hands. Also, I invite you to come check out Jesus Bible Study. I take passages from the Bible and make them relevant to today's world. Link to this week's video will be in the description. If you like today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.